So dear customers, if you are facing air locking in your pump just like this product, we will tell you how to solve it. You can see the gun is not working despite there is proper water in the bucket and the pipe is properly submerged and the product is still not working. Now we will solve the problem of water locking by forcefully putting the water into the pump. The product is not working because there is air lock inside. Now we will solve the problem of air lock. First of all, remove this. Now remove this. Now take a pipe like this, attach to the tap, put it here, hold it tightly and open the tap. Now push the button and start the machine. Now you can see the water is flowing effectively and there is no air lock inside. Now the machine will work properly. Now let's insert the pipe into the bucket back again. Now let's attach the pipe properly, leaving no gaps for the air lock. Attach it properly, tight it again. Now put it back together. And your Nova washer pump is good to go.